Okay, Cars movie fans, this is for you. This is such a fun, iconic ride. If you love the Radiator Springs Cars theme, this is such a great fun thing. It has the scenery. There's really not a lot of bumps. There's a little bit of part where you race and it goes up and down slightly. So if you have vertigo, not great maybe for you, or if you're photosensitive, again, has a few flashing lights, but as a whole it's pretty good. You do have to be 40 inches tall or 102 centimeters tall, so just keep that in mind. But as a whole, it's pretty tame and just fun. Okay, now for the tall people out there wondering if this ride is for you, my husband here, you can see, is 6'4". His knees are right up against the edge of the next seat. It is a tight fit. I am short, so he steals some of my leg room, which is good. This is a 3-seat ride, so sometimes you're with another person and it can be tight if you have a little extra in the booty area too. So just keep that in mind. It's not like the greatest for tall people, but you can fit. It's just a squeeze. But no, this has to be your number one first ride if it is on your priority list, because it gets so busy. It is one of those rides that's always packed, and just FYI, it breaks down a ton, so sometimes you'll even miss it. It'll be gone for the whole day, and then it's just, you missed out. So if I were you and this is on your top priority list, make sure this is your first stop, because it is pretty great.
You need to look fast. Ciao. Ramon! Ramon thinks we're right. Looking good. Isn't he? All right. Good luck, man. Hey, rookie. Shiny teeth don't win a race. Now get out there and do it. Uno fortunare è più forte. Try to get ready and go on.
like and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. Thank you for watching.